I made the 3-hour drive from Wyoming over to Salt Lake City to hit the Goodwill Outlet bins. I got there shortly after they opened, about 9:15. They opened at 9 a.m. The parking lot was full, so I had to park across the way and walk the distance to the front door. I am participating in the Bins Bingo through Bolo Buddies YouTube channel. Me and several other resellers are going to the Goodwill Outlet bins to see what we can find on the bingo card. A collaboration of other resellers have participated in this Bins Bingo. To find their YouTube videos, search hashtag BINSBINGO in the YouTube search bar. So I have my bingo card on a clipboard and I'm going inside. There are no carts available, which is not good, and it's just about as crazy as I thought it would be. So here I was without a cart, one-handed shopping as I have my cell phone in one hand recording the video, and I'm fumbling through this bin with just one hand. I quickly realized that I forgot my glasses in the car, so I can't really see what I'm looking at. So I decided to dig through this a little bit longer and head back to the car for my glasses and one of the giant IKEA bags to put my Bins Bingo finds in. So I've been back to the car, I've got my IKEA bag and my glasses, and we're ready to go at this again. I feel like I'm wasting a lot of time. Oh, there's an airplane. These Salt Lake City bins are right next to the airport, so I will hit up the bins when I am in Salt Lake City, going to and from the airport. I just don't get over there that often. So I'm back at the same bin looking through the items that I could not see before. Here I found a Boston, I believe it's Boston Red Sox baseball cap, so that will be my sports item on the bingo card. Running a quick comparable sold search, I can see that I can make maybe $15 plus shipping for that baseball cap. They do have music playing in the background, and in fact they were playing Taylor Swift's new Midnights album, so I am cutting out the music on this. I did pick up this Disney shirt for little boys. It seemed like it was in good condition, and it did have the Mickey Mouse face on the front. The Disney shirt will be my clothing item from the Bins Bingo card. I'm doing more digging here, not really seeing anything too outstanding. I do take another look at the t-shirt coming up here, the gray one. It is Chevrolet t-shirt. I thought maybe it would be worth something, but it was a no-name brand. So here I am just panning around. I quickly go back down to the bin because I don't want people to see me recording them. I'm digging through this bin, again, not really finding a whole lot. I will come upon a pair of Anne Klein pants, which is a meh brand, so I pass on that. So here I am still digging. If you all see something that I may have missed, I do see that Wonder Woman sock or whatever right there. I'm not sure what that is, but if you all see something that I've skipped on, let me know in the comments below. And here's an interesting item. This is Beaver State. It's 100% wool, Pendleton. It is a shawl/robe from Beaver State. I ran a quick comp search on this on eBay. It is a new to me brand, but I think it's going to do pretty well. I was so excited about this wool blanket that I ran home and took pictures of it, measured it, and it's up on eBay right now. Now I did price it high. It is a unique design with the Dreamcatcher print, and like I said, it's 100% wool and possibly vintage. So I did price it high, and I'm hoping for the best. This is a copy of my listing. So I'm going to count that wool blanket as my linen item on the bingo card. I did consider grabbing this Seattle Seahawks jersey. It is reversible, but it is pretty well worn. I did throw it in my bag to look at later. And here I am moving positions. You can see some people already have their goods from this round and are taking a break. I am still on the lookout for the bingo card items, so I will keep digging. Nothing much going on here. I thought maybe that was an UMG or some sort of boho shirt, but it was not. I'm a little distracted by the dog in the cart. I do hear that people steal items from other people's carts, and I'm wondering if she brought this dog along as a guard dog. All over the place here. Now I'm in the hard goods bin, and look at, I found a Build-A-Bear plush dog. I did throw this in my bag. He is a little dirty, but I think I can clean him up. And these small fries are what they're called by Build-A-Bear. The dog sells for about $18 $10 plus shipping. And he will complete the plush square on my bingo card. And here are a pair of knitting needles, new in the package. So this could either be my craft item or a new item. It's going in the bag. I found a pair of girls' Vans shoes that look like llamas. That will be my shoe bingo square. And here you can see the masses lined up for the new rotation that's yet to come out. I'm staying away from all that madness. Here I'm looking at a baseball cap. I probably should have grabbed this. It was a pretty unique design. Also considering this sock monkey, but the back seam in his back seems like it's been sewn or repaired. So I let him go. And here you can see in the background the new rotation did come out, and so everyone flocked over to the newer bins. I did kind of keep my distance from the madness happening on the other side, but I did walk a little closer to give you a full view of what was going on. As you can see, everyone was on the side where the fresh bins were, and not many people were looking at the older bins. I kept my distance and kept looking through some of the older bins on the other side. This, I'm not sure, it was some sort of wrestling uniform. I left that behind as well. I do thrift haul videos as well as weekly what sold videos. So if you're a new viewer to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And while you're at it, click the notification bell to be notified when I release my next video. And here I am back to the dog. That dog just cracks me up. He should be on the bingo card, right? Like, where is he on the bingo card? Maybe I could put him in the center. Anyway, the employees moved everyone over to one side of the store. So I'm over here looking for more items to cross off of my card. Still looking through the bins. It's been a while since I found anything good, so I keep digging. And here I move over to the newer bins. I'm still digging. Can you sense my frustration? It's been a while since I found anything good. Now that's more like it. That's one of those Hallmark collectible battery-operated figures. I've sold a few of these last year for well over $30. Here's a screenshot of comparable solds on eBay. As you can see, they sold for $30 plus shipping, which was about $10 to $12. I'm going to mark this one off as my Christmas item on the bingo card. And this is a Disney costume, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. It does look like it's in pretty good condition, size 2X small. This will count as my costume or a dress-up item on the bingo card. Hey, if you all like this kind of video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up right now so I'll know to make more time to head over to the Salt Lake City bins. This is an Izod shirt. Meh. Putting it back. Sonoma, no way. So here's an interesting piece. This is a Playboy costume. I guess this could also qualify as my costume or dress up. And this was a Transformer outfit. I did pass on that. It had a lot of pilling on it that I did not want to remove. So back to the Playboy dress. Let's count that as our weird item in the upper right-hand corner. Here is a pair of, well, correction, one single shoe of Tom's. This was a Hoyt archery hat. I have sold Hoyt items before, but that looked pretty dirty and beat up, so I passed on that. A Sorel boot, but as you can see, it's very well damaged. Here are a pair of Sanuk, S-A-N-U-K shoes for men. They are in great condition, almost like new. The soles did have a price tag on them of $12.99 where they were trying to sell them at Goodwill. I did pick up this Helly Hansen hat. It's going to take a little cleaning to get it ready to sell, but I did go ahead and put it in my bag. And I think we can count that as my accessory on the bingo card. Doll. I should have grabbed that doll for the bingo card. And here begins the single shoe saga. These are Solomon shoes. Yeah, I never found the mate to that one either, so I had to let that one go. Oh my gosh, this Frosty, the cutest thing. He did not work. He probably did not have batteries, but again, with the Hallmark collectibles, I've sold these in the past and he was just too cute to pass up. I took Frosty home, put some batteries in him, and he works. He's now listed in my eBay store. I was so excited I had to get him listed right away. Frosty sold within 2 weeks of listing on Amazon. The buyer was $74.83 all in after shipping and taxes. I estimate my cost of goods on this item was $179 as he weighed a little over a pound. So my profit when it was all said and done was $40.79 on the spinning Frosty animation. We're going to count Frosty as our battery operated item on the bingo card. This Have a Merry Little Christmas sign. I wish I would have picked that up, but I did not. I would have loved to use that to decorate my home. Or garage. It could have been my garage item on the bingo card. I did grab this Under Armour baseball cap. It looked in pretty good condition and was a unique colorway. And that is the hat square on my bingo card. Thought about picking up the Winnie the Pooh kite to sell on Amazon. I have sold those in the past, but they were a pain to ship and comps did not look all that promising. I thought about grabbing the Minion plush, but I decided to let it go as well. Here are Teva flip-flops, T-E-V-A. I did pick up several pair of these. This pair I do think I put back because the soles look pretty well worn, but I did pick up 2 or 3 pairs of Teva sandals. That was another pair of purple sandals. And we're going to use those Teva sandals to complete our center square on the bingo card. I am going to grab this curling iron. I believe that could be used as my bathroom item on the bingo card. It's very well wrapped up in this blanket and wire hanger, so it's going to take me a while to undo all of that. Oh hey, there's another little puppy dog. And there's my pile of items in my IKEA bag. My bag just got so heavy I put it on the floor, and then we have someone juggling over here in the corner. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I like to poke fun at some of my eBay buyers with some of their comments and silly questions, and I use the clown reference. So the juggling seems appropriate. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and check it out. I'm at piece.of.scrap. Here are a pair of Tom's shoes. They are pretty well worn, but they do have that wedge heel. Would you guys have picked these up or not? Leave a comment below and let me know. I did pick up this San Francisco baseball cap. It did look like it was in new condition. I do believe that's for a baseball team, but I could be wrong. If you know, let me know. I probably should have picked up that clown mask, but I let it go. And here is a Big Bertha golf club cover. I sold 2 golf club covers in the last few days, so I went ahead and picked this one up. Looking at the comparable solds for Big Bertha, she sells for at least $15 plus shipping. Now hear me out. Golf is a game, right? Games and toys. Big Bertha golf club cover. It may be a stretch, but that's the toy item on my bingo card. I really want that Jasmine Disney Store shoe. However, there was just one, and I was not about to add that to my collection of single shoes. I took a seat next to the jugglers and went through my bag. There you can see my bingo card and the items I'm trying to sort through. I did grab the USPS thermos. That will be my kitchen item. I have the items sorted, and there's my big bag and the single shoes that I could not find the mates to. Still chaotic, still madness going on here, but I think I'm ready to go. There you can see folks lined up on the other side waiting for the fresh bins to come out. I give one more look at the bins and I notice a little girl's purse that will cross off the bag or purse on my bingo card. It looks like it's in new condition and adorably cute with a cat on it. And the fresh bins did come out, and there are the people sorting through them. Maybe I should have stayed and went through those new bins, but my bag was full and it was heavy and they still had no carts. So I was ready to go. However, to get to the checkout, you had to walk through all those people digging through those bins. So let's go. Okay, so I'm headed back to my car. I couldn't park in the lot because the parking lot was full, but I was in there about 2 hours, a little less than 2 hours. I spent $28.28 and I got all this. I got most of the things on the bingo card. I had to bail. There was too many people, too crowded, too chaotic in there, so I did not dig for several items on that bingo card, but I will go over that when I show you the haul. So I'm going to make the 3-hour drive back home and process what just happened. I don't know if this is for me. I don't know yet. So I'm going to get in the car and fill up with gas, grab some lunch, and think about what just happened. It's been a couple days, and yes, I was a little overwhelmed leaving the bins that day. However, looking back, I do think it was a very enjoyable experience, and I was so excited to get home and list the items that I found. So here's everything I got at the bins today. I was in there less than 2 hours. I did get there when they opened about 9:15 and they were out of carts. So all of these items I stuffed in my giant IKEA bag. They charged me $1.79 a pound. I got 15.8 pounds. So my total was $28.28. So I got all of this for less than $30. So how about that bingo card? I do see that I picked up a new with tag scarf in the bottom right-hand corner, so that will count as my new item. Next to the Hallmark collectibles in the upper left, there is a Ty Beanie Boo that is a Halloween bat/cat. His name is Midnight. So I'm going to check that one off as my holiday item. And that completes my Bolo Buddies Reseller Bins Challenge bingo card. I think I did pretty well. There were some items that I did not find that day. However, all in all, it was a great experience, and I'm so glad I got out of my comfort zone and went to the Goodwill Outlet bins. Check out many of the other resellers who participated in this challenge using the hashtag BINSBINGO in the YouTube search bar. Leave a comment below and let me know which one of the items were your favorite. Many of you that are listening have not yet subscribed, so do me a favor and click that subscribe button. I will link another What Sold video here. Continue watching.